Shout out to Philly. Everybody know I'm in Atlanta now, 17 years, but born and raised in Philly, so I'm rocking that blue Phillies cap. J from Triple J's Pizza checking in. Another ice bath. I think this is 104 for me. Kind of want to stay on the theme of my weight loss journey, but I'm only going to talk about it from the standpoint of a meme that I also put up. In the meme, I'll paraphrase it, that said, a lot of people live their life on default settings, factory settings, as opposed to without knowing that they can customize their life any way they want. And it's kind of what my weight loss journey is about right now for me. That, at this age, about to turn 51, I look like a big dude, like most cats, having similar big dude problems, health problems and things of that nature. And this was kind of, in a, I don't want to say a funk, but that's in a sweet spot. But that's what it's going to be. I'm getting older, that's what it's supposed to be. And then it was like, nah, I can customize myself any way I want to. People asking me what do I do, or what should they do in reference to their weight loss journey. And I said it in another video. Do whatever you're gonna do. Meaning, if you into the weights like I am, do the weights, because you'll be more willing to do it. But if you're a cardio person, do the cardio. If you hot yoga, do hot yoga. If you like to go on hikes, do that. I know mad cats that walk or hike Stone Mountain and go on vacation and go hike, and they're in some of the best shape ever. So customize your workout plan however you please. And with my hat, anybody, if you know Philly cats or even Jersey, Philly, and New York dudes, but Philly dudes, the way I wear my hat is not really a customizable way. We always wear fitted hats growing up. You know what I mean? Always has had the red, white Phillies. And it took really years for me to kind of get out of wearing a baseball cap every day and wearing it as low as I wear it, and even letting my hair grow out. I've never had dreads in my life. I've always wanted them, but, in the corporate world or working for, being in Marines and the government, it really wasn't any. You could have dreads, but, maybe it was frowned upon, and maybe I just wasn't willing to customize my joint like I am now. So we all fall victim of this going with that customized look, the beard. This is, if you know it, most dudes in Philly know it's that Philly beard. So I'm a victim of it in a good way. I have certain style, beard, the fitted, that's that Philly look that I probably never get away from. But you gotta know, you can customize your life any way you want. You can, it's your life. Jay-Z has a line where he says, you define yourself. He says, I agree, my one-of-a-kind self. And there was that one that he was like rapping like he was Big, and Big was talking to him in a dream. But the point is, you can customize your life any way you want. You don't gotta wear fitted hats just because everybody do. You don't gotta wear Timbs because everybody do. You can do you. Or you can wear Timbs like I do, because that's the footwear of Philly. You know what I mean? So customize yourself any way you want. That's what I wanted to impress upon you guys today. That is it for me. I'm out of here. Peace. See you tomorrow.